Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from radical equations which we are going to solve for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominator cannot be 0. So our answer cannot be equal to -6. Now I can cross multiply. I can write square root 6 minus x will be equal to x times 6 plus x. Or I can write 6x plus x square, or we can write x square plus 6x. Now I will add 9 and subtract 9. Now from first three terms we will be getting one perfect square of x plus 3 minus 9. Now in LHS I will write 6 minus x as 9 minus x plus 3. So 9 minus x minus 3, which will give us 6 minus x in the radicand. Now we can assume substitution. We can consider x plus 3 equal to a. So I can write square root 9 minus a. This will be equal to a square minus 9. Let me write here square root 9 minus a equal to a square minus 9. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So square root and square will be cancelled out from LHS. We will write 9 minus a. This will be equal to a square minus 9 whole square. Now I will subtract a square from both the sides. So I will write here minus a square, and this side also will write minus a square. Now in RHS we can apply a square minus b square formula, and in LHS we will take minus 1 common out. So we will get minus of a square plus a minus 9, and RHS will be a square minus 9 plus a in one bracket. This is a plus b formula times a minus b. So a square minus 9 minus a. Now I will take all the terms to RHS. So let me write RHS first. A square plus a minus 9 times a square minus a minus 9 plus a square plus a minus 9 equal to 0. Now a square plus a minus 9 is overall common. So we will take a square plus a minus 9 common out. So in other bracket I will get a square minus a minus 9 plus 1 equal to 0. Or we can write a square plus a minus 9 times a square minus a minus 8 equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule. We will get either a square plus a minus 9 equal to 0, or a square minus a minus 8 equal to 0. Now we have two quadratic equations. We will solve using quadratic formula. I will write here a equal to, as per formula, minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. As per our equation, capital A is 1, B is 1 and C is constant -9. So I will write here A will be equal to -1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times -9 over 2 times 1. So this will be equal to -1 plus minus square root 1 plus 36 over 2, or I can write A will be equal to -1 plus minus square root 37 over 2. Now we will take up A square minus A minus 8 equal to 0 equation. So I will write A square minus A minus 8 equal to 0. A will be equal to minus of -1, so 1 plus minus square root of -1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times -8 over 2 times 1 is 2, or I can write 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 32 over 2, or I can write 1 plus minus square root of 33 over 2. So we have overall 4 real values of A. Let me write here A equal to -1 plus minus square root 37 over 2 and 1 plus minus square root 33 over 2. Now I will write our equation square root 9 minus A equal to A square minus 9. So if I will apply conditions on LHS and RHS for real solutions, then I can say this radicand must be positive for A should be real, and this RHS must also be positive. So from LHS condition I can write A must be less than 9. From RHS I can write A square minus 9 as A plus 3 times A minus 3. For this inequality we will write conditions A less than -3 and A greater than 3. Now we will club these two conditions. So we will get finally A should be less than -3 and A should be in the interval 3 to 9. Our solution should be in this interval. If I will write approximate value of A, then I can write here -1 plus square root 37 over 2. This would be 2.51. -1 minus square root 37 over 2. This would be minus 3.51. 1 plus root 33 over 2 would be 3.4 approximately. And last value 1 minus square root 33 over 2 would be minus 2.4. Now we will apply these two conditions for our A should be real. So I can write these two will be rejected and these values we will accept. So I can write two values of A only. So I can write here A would be equal to -1 minus square root 37 over 2 and 1 plus square root 33 over 2. Now this is A, we have to calculate X. So I will write here our substitution. Substitution was X plus 3 equal to A. So I can write here X would be equal to A minus 3. So I will subtract 3 from both the sides. -3 -1 minus square root 37 over 2 minus 3 and 1 plus square root 33 over 2 minus 3. This will be equal to minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 minus square root 37 over 2 and 1 minus 6 minus 5 plus square root 33 over 2. A minus 3 is x. So these two values will satisfy our equation for real x. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.